get rid of this thing, which is stuck. Here it is. So do you just see it stone? Whoa! You can turn the slide all the way. Even your I don't know what's called.
Okay.
Hi guys, this is me, Bella. Today we're gonna be opening up the Antonio Playset this time. We did that episode, but we just forgot to do it on my birthday. So let's get started. So move this way, and then open it up. Yes, like this. All the pieces out. What's this? And we won't need this. Just get everything out first. And get everything out. And let's get rid of this thing, which is stuck to the thing. Mommy's gonna help me. I see the playset. Here it is. So you need to get stone. Close up. There's a secret stone.
Yes.
Look, I told you. Look, there's something secret. Look. Let's get our characters out. Before that, we have Antonio's slide. So we're gonna put this slide over here. And the cool part is you can put it here, which is normal, and put it over here too. I know this is not attached properly. Let me just fix this. Move it here, and then also move it over here. Okay, let's open up our characters. But first, we'll get out this. Out. And then the door, which I can't open. This is supposed to be where little steps. First, my mom will help me with this. Ask for a vote so you have this. She said it is amazing. I'm going to put it in time. And there we go. Whoa! And it opens up. Now we have 2 doors! Antonio. Next, we'll get out all the furniture. I'll get my scissors. Not there. And get out these characters. To get this out, my mom's gonna help me with this. So we have all the characters. Of course, we'll start with Antonio, and I'll show you what happens. So you don't have to click this. Right? And look. See these footsteps? This begins Antonio's shoes. So he comes in and steps on. Oh, it's not working. Comes in and shuts the door. You know, just put on your character and shut it. And look. That's where I'll put our capybara. Ah! Look at these cutesy capybara. Let's put it. You can also hide it over here, so like there's nothing there. And when Antonio comes in at the morning, he shuts his door and then steps on it to keep his capybara, and there's nothing there. But you can always just put it like this. So there is our capybara. You can see it in camera. Just can you see it in camera? If you can see it on camera, I'll deal with it. And then we'll do this. And we'll put back the slide. It just broke off. We have the hammock that goes on. You can make it high like this or low like this. See, there's two branches. I'm gonna make it the highest. You can make it the highest. You can make it the highest if you wanna. You can make it. You see these hooks? You can put them here. If you want the highest, you can do it this. Or if you want lower, you can put it like this. Ah, this is not working. Okay, there. Okay, we have the undercut. And we'll put it. Do you see this little branch? We'll put the anaconda there. Oh, look. His toucan bird can go on his arm too, and it can also go over here. Just find a little spot. Look for those. And then we'll put the toucan bird. Toucan, not a toucan. It's a toucan. Over here, and then, or you could just make it. And my mom's gonna help me with that, and ta-da! And this swings. Ah! Look, look at that! That's like a real one. So look at that tongue and look at all the detail. I'm gonna put that again. So I just took it off so you can see all the detail. This hook and this part of the tail are supposed to go here. And it can swing. So when Antonio comes in his door, bedroom door, he sees the anaconda, but just go through. Because Antonio's anaconda does not bite. And go up the steps and go in his hammock. Lastly, the chair. There we have it. We have Antonio's Jesus Lighthouse. We have all the characters, even the anaconda. I don't know what's called. Okay. You can also do it in La Casita, so it's more realistic. He opens his door up. And when you click this, I don't not sure what happened. The anaconda. Okay, let's put it back. and go straight through the because Antonio's underground does not bite any steps. Then
Sit down and stay here.
and he could go on here. He'd come up on and shuts the door. Sorry, the secret. Goes up. I don't know what is it doing. Ah! Okay, I'll just put it beside the chair. You need to put it like that. Don't do it like this. Because that will be really funny. And then he'll like fall off like this. If you swing it too high and you did it like that, he would fall off. See? But if you did it like this, oh, look how fire! Things are really dangerous up here. There's no railings in this set. That's okay, you can always use it from the Barbie set. And then you can push it literally. And you can also come down the stairs and take it and put the cup of water back in and then shut it. Then you can also come up these steps and slide down. And also move it here. Just can move back and forth like again. And all the way here. That's where it was. Just gonna go all. I'm brushing the ziggers and go up. Okay. Toucan bird. Ta-da! Okay, like a little open space.
We don't talk about Bruno.
Here, and you can make it go where it's supposed to go. I'll just leave it inside here because I can't do it. And that's about all. That's it. That's pretty much all of Antonio's tree set playhouse play set. If you have one, copy what I do in this video. Bye bye. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please wait because we need to buy them. And if you want to do the videos that we already have, you can always ask if you want. And don't forget to like and subscribe to what it's supposed to look like. And here are all the ones you can collect. Julieta and Mirabelle and Julieta step and stair set. Antonio and Animal step and swing set. Isabella's garden room play set and Magic La Casita Madrigal. And here are all the stuff you can see. Here is